So step 6 is another example of how it's got to be like perfect with where you're clicking. And so please be very careful to pay attention to where these clicks are happening. We're going to be bringing our the blue piece, I can't remember what it's called, over here. We want to click, see right there, it's on that flat surface at the bottom of the bushing. And now instead of clicking down here in the bottom of the hole, they're clicking in the top of the hole to bring those two pieces together. If you do click in the wrong spot, you can always undo, and I'll actually demonstrate this time what happens if you do click in the wrong spot, just because I think that's kind of an important deal. So, again, I'm having a little bit of an issue getting to see it the way that I want to. So what we're looking for with this mate is we want not here, not here even. See how it's floating above the bushing there? Actually, let's do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when you do it wrong. So see how the bushing and the other piece, the purple piece there, are not touching? That's not right, and so that's not what we want. We're going to try again. So again, it's important for us to make sure that the mate is placed in the correct spot. So this surface here, right there, not floating off of the bushing, right up against it. And then over here, not down inside this part somewhere, but right on the surface, just like right there. We hit those two. I'll do this so that I can get a better view of it. We can see that those are definitely touching, and things look like everything should look. That's kind of weird. I don't know where this notch here came from and that notch came from. Interesting. Okay, that's it for that mate. Yeah, no, guys, I have no idea where those two notches came from. Oh, I do. It's because the way I made my holes in my thing, because I had to make them after the fact. So hopefully you don't end up with a messed up looking thing like I did with this here and this here, because I made a hole going through the entire assembly, which included this bottom piece. But I think it looks kind of cool, so I'm going to leave it alone.